And he's saying this is small. This one is small.
Oh, this is small.
My brother, how are you? A good man?
Good man.
You trust him, it's your worker. Okay.
Masa.
Let's come. You know, actually, this is my first time on a Ghana pig farm. Whoa! Don't grab my hand, boys. Oh my God! No! Hey, Eric! This is a cow.
You see,
This is not a pig.
Puja.
Oh, look at this thing.
You come.
Yo! What's up? Oh, they're so big. Look at this one.
This is an elephant.
Elephant. Whoa. This is a rhinoceros, man. Or a hippopotamus, I mean. Hey, Eric. My God.
What kind of food?
Oh, look at this.
No. Look at the baby.
Yeah.
Is he?
Yeah. What
Small
is it?
children.
Yeah, 2 days old. 2 days. 2 days.
2 days.
I figured it out. Yeah, 2 days old. One day they wouldn't be standing so good here. No, 2 days. Yes.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, about 12.
Hello. You did good. Those are your babies. Yeah, I see them. Nobody gonna trouble your babies. All right? Nobody. All right. These are some smart animals. She's very smart. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
They said they want 15 pre-die.
15 of them. 3 has died. Oh my God. And you're the one who take care of them. What's your name? Bruce. Yeah, you're the one who take care of them. I'm making video for my friends. It's okay with you? Yeah. Hey girl, why are you coming up here? Yeah, you alright? You alright? And this is what? A girl too or a guy? Yeah? This is a male. Oh, this is a male one. Oh. She's getting crazy. Oh, he's upset, man. He sees his baby across there. Anyways, and here's some juveniles over here. Ah, just good. You guys are just good for the